The following video details research activities at the Biomedical Signal and Image Processing Lab in VCU School of Engineering. Computer-aided decision-making has a major role to play in healthcare. We adopt an integrative approach where multiple types of data are utilized. In particular, the technologies we develop can benefit trauma centers everywhere, from battlefields to here at home. They can assist in triage as well as in diagnosis and treatment of patients. Trauma is the leading cause of death for individuals under the age of 50. While making quick decisions for trauma cases, all available patient data is not being considered. Computer-aided decision assist systems can provide real-time recommendations by making use of available patient information. We design advanced computational techniques that make use of current technologies to address this issue. Our approach involves forming a database with biomedical signals and images, such as the ECG, CT scans, and X-rays. Our database also includes demographic information, along with medical history, lab results, and other patient information. Certain feature characteristics are then extracted from each category, which are integrated and classified through machine learning methods. This leads to the creation of certain rules. As an example, if the data obeys one of these sets of rules, then that would translate to recommendations that can include rehabilitation therapy or discharge. Recommendations and the rules upon which they're based are then communicated to the medical staff through a simple user interface. Now we look at specific projects of our lab in detail. Treatment of traumatic brain injuries can be greatly benefited from our approach. Using advanced image processing techniques, we quantitatively assess the anatomical and structural changes caused by the injury, and thereby predicting the outcome and optimal strategies for treatment. Our technique also delineates any regions of hematoma and measures volumes of the ventricles themselves. These recommendations and predictions will help healthcare providers make more informed decisions in every stage of trauma care. Another one of our projects has led to the development of a computer-assisted decision-making system for traumatic pelvic injuries. Here, features are extracted from X-ray images. Diagnostically important measures, such as the vertical and horizontal displacement of bones in the pelvis, are automatically calculated. We utilize CT scan for more measures, which include detecting fractures and abnormalities such as active bleeding and the quantification of its magnitude. All these information will then be integrated using machine learning to assist physicians in the decision-making process. A major undertaking of our lab involves analysis of time series signals for detection and assessment of critical injuries and illnesses. One such scenario is that of hemorrhage, simulated for research purposes by the LBNP model. Here, blood is drawn to the lower extremities by successively applying lower pressures, drawing blood away from the heart, thereby simulating hemorrhage. We analyze and integrate information from multiple signals while extracting heart rate. Our approach estimates the overall assessment of severity of the patient's condition. This model achieves a high overall accuracy. Even without baseline ECG knowledge for a given patient, as presented in case 1, the accuracy is about 92%. Another successful endeavor of our lab involves automated analysis of microcirculation videos for early detection and monitoring of critical injuries and illnesses. The goal here is to measure the area of active capillaries as a proportion to the total area of all capillaries present in the recorded region. This serves as a proxy measure for oxygen delivery to the tissues. Our automated analysis leads to identification of the darker colored capillaries as being active. The system is completely automated, which reduces human error and processing time. The technology has wide-ranging implications, from aiding resuscitation efforts to early detection of hemorrhage, sickle cell anemia, diabetes, among others. We acknowledge the following organizations for aiding our efforts.